Good evening. Fitting up some body panels, seeing if this core support's kind of in the right place. Now, when you're doing intricate work like this, you want to make sure that you're A1 and you have no mind-altering substances in your body. That way you can make sure that all these measurements are precise. So that's looking all right. This was a lot harder than I thought it would be, considering these are factory parts. This door is sticking out. I think this fender got flattened in transport. I don't know. This corner fits pretty good too. You know, this corner, you just want to make sure that this lines up decent. That way you know the fender depth is where it needs to be. I mean, this is only bolted in with, you know, clamps right now. So, I mean, it's not precise, but it's going to give me a pretty decent idea of what we're working with. Put the hood down, maybe, if it'll latch. So obviously this core support isn't put in, but I can pull it. I can pull this to where it looks pretty good. Same thing here. Once this gets welded in, I think we'll be in pretty good shape. Yeah, so the hardest part is going to be trying to mark where the core support is. So when I take it apart and put the weld through primer and prep all the stuff for paint, that I know where to weld this core support back in where it's at. So I think I'm going to go with a center punch method. Those holes that I drilled, I'll put a center punch in the middle of the hole, and hopefully that kind of tells me where it needs to go. So I'm going to blow it apart one more time. Weld through primer, spot welds. Then hopefully we're good. I leveled it out. Core support's pretty much level with the car, which, you know, what does that really mean? But yeah, hopefully we make some progress. So that's tonight. Holla at your boy.